Welcome to PostGrid Combo. In this video, I will discuss about styling and walk you through how you can add any CSS style in order to achieve anything. You may already know we are offering many small Gutenberg blocks along with the PostGrid and PostGrid filterable. And one common thing in every block is we have included our style component and CSS library. Now let's see how we can use them. For experiment purpose, let's select our post title block. Here is our post title. Of course, you can change the wrapper under this wrapper option or make it linked or unlinked. And also you can add a prefix or postfix. Let's add a postfix word combo and position it at the end of the post title. Here it is. But in this video, we are not describing the option settings. Instead, let's focus on this styles tab. Here you can see by default two CSS property has been added, the background color and color, but currently they have no values. So let's customize. Here you can see the output in real time. Also, you can use any CSS properties beside this color and background color. We have included almost every CSS property supported by a modern browser. Also, here you can see we have added different CSS states. By default, the idle option is selected and we are applying CSS on this state. Now let's say I want to change the background color in a different state, like when hovering over a mouse, and it's really simple. Just change the state on hover. And as expected, currently no CSS here on this hover state. So let's add the background color. Now watch this. When I hover over the postfix, the background color changes. Also, you are free to use any CSS property on a particular state. And the exciting thing is the style component isn't just only available in postfix, it's available everywhere, like on this prefix section or post title or in this wrapper section. Now imagine the possibility, you can create anything you have in mind, though it depends on how much CSS knowledge you have. And even if you don't know CSS, there is no need to worry. This CSS library option got your back. I am coming into that, but first let's finish the styling for postfix. Actually, I want to show the postfix as a badge. So in order to achieve this, I have to add more CSS. Let's add a font size to make it smaller. 12 pixels is fine. Also, I need a padding. Okay, now I want a border radius. 5 pixels is perfect. Also, I need a margin on the left side. Now finally, I want to position it to the top left. So let's set the position to relative and set a top value to -25. Perfect. Now if I save my post, you can see everything is working fine on the front end. Also, I just remembered that we have responsive support as well. That means you can add any style depending on various screen sizes. Let's give it a try. As you can see, I'm on a desktop with blue background, and now let's say I want to change the background color to red for tablet and mobile devices. So let's change the device by clicking on this icon. As you can see, I successfully switched the device. Now under postfix, just want a red background color. And this red color is only available on small screen sizes. If I update the changes and view it on the front end, you can see the background color is still blue because we are on a desktop screen. Now let's pretend we are on a small screen. And here you can see the background color is changing. As I said before, this styles tab is available on every section of this block and is not limited to just our post title block. We have added this on our every Gutenberg blocks. So if you are creating a post grid using our post grid block, you will also see the styles option available there. As you can see, I am under loop item. So if I add a background color, the color is applied to every item. And now I think it's clear to you how our style component can help you generate any styles on our blocks. Now let's focus on our CSS library option. Here you can see we have added some pre-made designs and all the designs we created with the help of our CSS style component. Now let's see how our library layouts can benefit you. Suppose we want to create a button element. Here we have a block called button, but it has zero styling. Actually, it's up to you how you want to design your button. And now we know how you can add any CSS style to achieve anything. But suppose you are not good at CSS and unsure what CSS property is needed to style a button. In this case, you can explore our CSS library. And select a button to filter out all button designs. Now choose a design and click on it. And immediately you can see all the pre-made styles inherited from the selected designs. You can see it clearly under the styles section. All the CSS property is showing here, and also you are free to customize. Let's say I want to change the color of this box shadow. Here you can see the update is working. And in this way, our layouts library can save you a lot of time. And the more exciting thing is, you can submit your own unique design in our CSS library. After finish styling, just navigate to the CSS library tab and click on this submission section. Here you can give your design a title, then choose a relevant category and add some tags. After that, click on the screenshot button. This will automatically take a screenshots of your design. And finally, put your email and submit it to our CSS library. We will publish your layout after a quick review. Okay, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let us know if you are facing any issues regarding PostGrid combo. Our support forum is always open to everyone. Bye.